Hello guys, today we gonna study about the ratio analysis. This topic is from chapter 17 capital structure decision. So let's study what is ratio analysis all about. So basically what happens is that the company, when a firm gives you loan, when a certain financial institution give you loan, they commonly see your some ratios to look after your financial status. So basically the commonly used ratios are interest coverage ratio, cash flow coverage ratio, debt service coverage ratio, and fixed assets coverage ratio. Now we'll learn how to calculate these ratios, right? So here our first ratio is interest coverage ratio. It is also known as interest earned ratio, and the formula for this is profit earned before interest and tax divided by interest on debt. You can easily calculate this ratio by using this formula. Here I have used one example. Example is, suppose Vortex company has the most recent PBIT rupees 120 million, and its interest burden on debt is rupees 20 million. Now you have to calculate interest coverage ratio. So we'll simply divide the PBIT by the interest on debt, and here our PBIT is 120 million and we will divide it by 20 million, and our interest coverage ratio will be 6, right? So 6 is basically a good interest coverage ratio. It means that even if your PBIT drops, the earning of Vertex company will cover its interest payment. Interest coverage ratio has several deficiencies. First, it concerns only with interest burden, not with the principal repayment obligation. Second, it is based on measure of earnings of the company, not on the cash flows. Our third ratio is cash flow coverage ratio. So cash flow coverage ratio is an indicator of the ability of the company to pay its interest and principal amount when they become due. If it's equal to or more than 1 or 2, company is in good financial obligation. We consider it that company can repay its interest and principal amount and has a good financial status. So formula for calculating cash flow covering ratio is PBIT plus depreciation plus other non-cash charges, and you will divide all of them by interest on debt plus loan repayment installments divided by 1 minus tax rate. We'll take this loan part if your company has taken a loan, right? Otherwise we'll not take it, right? And we have taken an example for this. Example, Vivek Limited. Depreciation is 20 million, PBIT 120 million, interest on debt is rupees 20 million, tax rate 50%, loan repayment amount is rupees 20 million. Now by simply using this formula, we will calculate our cash flow coverage ratio and will come to 2.33. So it's more than 1, right? It means the company has good cash flow coverage ratio. Company is able to repay its interest and principal amount. Our third ratio is debt coverage ratio. So if your debt coverage ratio is less than or equal to 2, it means you have a good financial status in the market. And financial status, so what is basically debt coverage ratio? Whenever any financial institutions provide you long-term debt finance, so they'll judge you by your debt capacity, and they will determine your firm's debt capacity by your debt coverage ratio, by looking at your debt coverage ratio. And the formula for this is profit after tax plus depreciation plus interest plus lease rent divided by interest plus loan repayment installment plus lease rent for the year. I hope you have understood this ratio. Our next ratio is fixed asset ratio. If it is more than or equal to 1, then your fixed assets coverage ratio is pretty good. And the formula for this is fixed assets divided by term loans. And we have taken an example for this. Suppose a firm has fixed assets of rupees 500 million and term loan of rupees 400 million. So calculate fixed assets coverage ratio. So your fixed assets coverage ratio will be fixed assets divided by term loans, 500 divided by 400, and your ratio will be 1.25, and it is more than 1. So you have a good fixed assets ratio, and financial institution will give your company loan. I hope you have understood the ratio analysis. And if you have liked the video, if you have liked the topic, if you have liked the video, please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.